y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Taylor and I'm so happy to have you here. In today's video, we're going to be cleaning and organizing the refrigerator. The refrigerator is disgusting and in need of a deep clean. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, share, and subscribe button and also turn the notification bell on so you never miss out on a new video. Now let's get at it and get it done. So first we're going to start off by taking everything out of the refrigerator, and I also wanted to mention that if you are sensitive to flashing lights, this video has flashing lights from my refrigerator. This is a quick before now that we have everything out of the refrigerator. And excuse the light, it's been doing that for a while. Well, I just found this all the way at the back and I am not sure what that is or how long it's been there.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean, I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games. Baby, you won't change, I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling.
So once again, excuse the lights. I was gonna show y'all that we took the shelves off, so we're gonna be cleaning this out, and I was just gonna show y'all this one. This light is really annoying, and I can't get behind the refrigerator to unplug it, so I apologize about it. But we did take them off, the ones that needed it, because not all of them needed it, but we're just wiping off right here. And I say we because it's me and my mom. She is over here doing her thing. Okay. So I just removed, or I'm removing the bottom one, and it is filthy back here. So I'm gonna be wiping that out.
There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
reasons. I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Back at me, I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say.
So this is what it looks like, and it looks so much better. And even down here, like, it is so much better, because this was like caked on, so I had to take a spoon and like scrub it up, but it looks so much better.
Goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. Back when I met you, we were like fireworks. Thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on.
Alright y'all, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me. I hope this video motivates you to get at it and get it done. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and also leave a comment so I can say hello. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all!